morning guys, today I'm here to introduce you our 3500 subwoofer amplifier. This is our high performance series. Here you can see the power supply, 70 square millimeters, and the speaker connection, not less than 1 ohm, only for short burp 0.5 ohm. On the other side we have the double LED for the power and the protection, the jack for the remote control, the double RCA for the input, the gain control, low pass filter, subsonic control, and the bass boost control. The amplifier is shipped with its data sheet with all the technical information, which you can find also on the website, the remote control, and the screw for the mounting.